Hi friends, I'm in another video on YouTube, so let's get started. Today we got food colorings and oil and water and a spook. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this here. So you want to take this thing, you want to press it into the food coloring, take it and do it like this. And do it 4 times. You see how it works? You see how it works? So you want to take the green thing, 4 times with the green, and last time. Now to the red color. Last time. Okay, so now you want to take the spook and mix it. You see how it makes? It looks like bacteria. So you want to take it and put it down to the water. Look at the gorgeous color. Isn't it gorgeous? So I hope you guys will subscribe and like and hit the bell, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!